This is Dr. Gubendran, working as an Associate Professor of Economics at NMIMS Bangalore campus. At NMIMS Bangalore and the university as a whole, we have top-class faculties who have proven record in teaching and research. With the top-class faculties, we are running two most important programs in economics in India. One is BSc Economics program and the other is MSc Economics programs. Two of our programs are considered to be pioneering programs in India. Why we call it a pioneering program in India means because our BSc Economics program and MSc Economics program totally differentiate with other universities programs in economics. How it differs in sense means it can be clearly seen from the course structure, course outline and the textbook that we are prescribing to our students, which are more or less similar to the course structure and outline prescribed by other famous universities in foreign country who run economic programs such as MIT Boston, Illinois University, London School of Economics, Cambridge Universities and so on. It can be clearly compared with other universities course structure. After completing the course, there is a lot of job opportunities that are available for our students. Some of the job opportunities are financial analyst, stock market analyst, young managers in Indian industries, junior managers, so on and so forth. These many opportunities that are available for our students. Apart from this, there are a lot of opportunities in academics too because of its inclusion, economics inclusion in management, commerce, engineering and law programs also. So if you want to be an academician in future, there are abundant of opportunities that are available in the market. But majority of our students are preferring for their postgraduate program in foreign countries. We are providing our support as much as possible and majority of them are getting into foreign universities for their postgraduate programs. After that, they are getting job from IITs, IIMs and other premier institutes in the country. So if you want to choose any programs relating to economics or management, NMIMS University is the appropriate choice that offers wide varieties of program with a blend of courses. Say for example, in economics, we are not giving traditional courses of economics. It is a blend of all advanced courses in economics, econometrics, statistics, mathematics, psychology, political science and sociology too. This is the way we offer blend of courses to each and every programs in our universities. So NMIMS University can be considered to be a best university for your higher studies. Thank you all of you. God bless.